Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday, the 16th of April 2019. So we can see yesterday about the run up to Easter, where the markets are quiet, and you can see this yesterday, the high and lower inside of Friday's range and inside bar there. So very quiet, not expecting this to improve unless, of course, May resigns, which there's not much chance of that happening, I wouldn't have thought, particularly during the run up to Easter. So I would expect this sort of sideways move to continue here. Not only that, but we've also got this triangular shape here and here as well. So not a lot to report. And yesterday you can see that the range was very small. There's the 39 pips, so not a lot happening there. Note also the buying pressure here at the 200 bar moving average. You've got the reversal, then the new buying, then you've got profit taking at the resistance. You can see this here in the red there, selling pressure up thrusts, and that's at the 131 level. The market rebounds a bit once the profit taking's gone. You can see the selling's disappeared, and then prices move to the upside there. So yeah, that's the pound. And in the Dow yesterday, also an indecisive day, but whatever's happened overnight, it looks like this resistance here at 26,496 is going to be taken out. This looks fairly strong already. Yesterday in the intraday, we're at the top side of the 200 bar moving average. We've got the market running up to this. After it closed through here, it came down, came back to it, and you can see the selling there. This is followed through. There's a bit of profit taking there, and then we roll over and a bit further down, and then come back, and then a bit further down, and then all the way down to the DP. The market's tested, and then it is brought back, and you see there price is being moved back to the upside before the close. The same pattern that we see all the time. And like I say, we've got a bit of movement here, so let's have a look at this in a bit more detail. So we were sideways for a bit, and again, look at this 200 bar moving average coinciding with the DP. The market then moves to the upside and is moving quite strongly at the moment. Bit of selling around there in this bar, selling pressure dictating there at the moment. News today, we've got average earnings from the UK 3-month to show an increase, and that's all you're going to get today as far as major news is concerned. That might move the pound a bit. If you want to see what's available for the rest of the week, forexfactory.com, and you can then click down here where it says more, and you will get a full list of all of the economic news items. Tomorrow we've got Barmy Carney out speaking, and there's a few German flash manufacturing retail sales for the UK on Friday. Core retail sales also, on Thursday, also for the US, and then Friday we go into Good Friday, so there won't be much to report there. It's half-day trading anyway. And then finally in Bitcoin, this down yesterday. You can see the market heading back down to the 76% retracement that we've drawn in, and holding it prices quite nicely there. But again, you can see that we've got this defined sideways range now taking place. Very frustrating, but there's not a lot we can do about this. Bit of activity there yesterday, but unfortunately it's sporadic. You get this sideways where it's barely moving a few dollars, and then all of a sudden we get this. So until the momentum picks up, it's best to stand aside as far as Bitcoin is concerned, and the other markets are slightly quiet as well given the run up to Easter. Although I would expect this market to continue, this is the Dow, continue to the upside today, as there's nothing really to stop it from doing so. and the pound just stuck in that sideways at the moment. Overnight, the market's managed to get back above the 200 bar moving average, and also heading towards the DP level. Close above this is required for the market to continue to move higher there. Okay, that will do it for this one. Like I say, a bit of a frustrating week this week, really, but let's keep an eye on how things are unfolding. Keep it brief so that we're all up to speed and ready for a week on Tuesday. A week today. Yeah, that's okay, that will do it. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.